Hello everyone, welcome to the session. We were discussing on our general studies solution and there were two questions we can say correlated with the society. So let's quickly discuss it as well. So that was question number 60 on set A. The question says, according to Kautilya Arthashastra, which of the following are correct? Now in such kind of question, we can only rely upon our basic knowledge as well as elimination technique. So we know about Kautilya Arthashastra, which mention about some form of slavery present in the society, Mauryan society. So again here a person can be made slave, and this is specifically mentioned in the Kautilya Dandaniti, where the person who is judicially declared as a slave are called as Dandapranit, and this kind of slaves are actually freed after some time if they fulfill some of the conditions. So first point, that a person could be a slave as a result of judicial punishment, is correct. The second statement says that if a female bore her master a son, she was legally free. So due to, you can say, patriarchal nature or element of the basically some form or the other present in the society, here a slave woman, when she become mother of a child who is basically fathered by a free person, a master, again they will be freed, legally freed. So now they will no more considered as slave. In fact, her entire family, the lady's entire family, would be free from slavery. The third point, if a son born to a female slave was fathered by her master, the son was entitled to the legal status of a master son. So in this question, naturally, since the legal right was given to the son of a slave, basically women, naturally they will be having all the rights to have a basically freedom as well as legal right to entitle the father's name and property. So again here also the statement is correct. So here the correct answer would be D, that is 1, 2 and 3, all of them are going to be correct. Then next question is, we used to discuss in the class related to the tribal issue as well, that there are 5th and 6th schedule in our constitution specifically dealing with the basically administration of the tribal area. So this question was that if a particular area is brought under the 5th schedule, so if a particular area is brought under the 5th schedule of the constitution, which one of the following statement best reflect the consequence of it? So again, 5th schedule is actually derived directly from the Government of India Act 1935, where Britishers have created partially excluded area and fully excluded areas. So partially excluded areas were later on transformed into 5th schedule, where the mainland part of India have certain tribal areas having the population more than 50% of the tribe were having certain rights and protection given under the 5th schedule. And these rights include that no tribal land can be sold to non-tribal person. So usually the money lenders, the construction basically giants would like to interfere in the tribal areas. So to give a tribal community a sense of protection, the 5th schedule specifically mention that no land which belongs to a tribal will ever be transferred to a non-tribal person or non-tribal people to give them a sense of security. So clearly the option right answer in this would be A. Again, it could not be for local self-government alone, because local self-government we have panchayat and other mechanism present. It could not convert that area into union territory. Again, it could not have such area declared as a special category state. So you can do it without basically with elimination criteria as well. So that is all from society. Thank you, and I hope your examination went well. So now I would like to invite Ashish sir to take up the polity section. So thank you everyone. Have a great day.